talaga. Tingnan mo, mamaya may mag-chat na sa'yo. Chat ka na rin.
Hindi, ano ba yan? Di ka pa naman ng BE, bakit ganyan ka?
Bakit? Porkit leader, dapat ka rin. Jo, seryoso.
Ikaw yung tumawag sa akin, si Ate Aya pala.
I called you so many times, but you didn't answer my calls.
Why are you speaking in English?
Because it's just it's my first language kasi.
You sound like a wannabe English speaker.
Excuse me, your wallet.
Oh, I'm listening to I Feel Good by Lagi.
Hindi mo kami pag-jowa niya. Kuya, dito ka na.